1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Billy Joel, Piano Man. Alright, let's go. We're in standard tuning and the song is in C major. Alright, so we got C major and also 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. C major, 1, 2, 3, and then B over C. So from C major, you keep your first finger and just move the bass to second fret A. B in the root and C major in the triad. A minor, 1, 2, 3, G major, F major. You want to bar it, we'll play it like this. I like this F. E minor, 1, 2, and D major. Okay, so that's the main chords in the verses. So it's C, B over C, A minor, D, F, E minor, D, and G. C major, B over C, A minor, D, F, G to C. Alright, so here we got some different things going on when we get back to the C. Sometimes he goes or just C, C sus. C to C sus is you add the pinky 3rd fret D string. And sometimes they even just stay on C. Okay, but the first time they go C, C sus, and then you wanna get the open G string back to sus and do. That little melody there is 3, 2, open, 2 on the D string. 3, 2, open. C, B over C, A minor, G. F major, E minor, D, and G. C major, B over C, A minor, D, F major, G to C. C sus. Before the chorus, just see and the strumming da 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 da, or down 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 da 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 da. Chorus, the la da 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 da. A minor, G major, here we got F sharp in the bass over D. That's 2 low E string, and then 2G, 3B to F major, and then do that again. A minor, G. This time stay on F sharp over D, and then it ends with G, F, E minor, D. All right, let's do the whole chorus. A minor, G, F sharp over D. F sharp over D, G, F minor, D. C, B over C, So that's all the parts. You got to listen a little bit in between if they stay on the C or if they do the whole C sus thing. Alright, so let's review before we end the lesson. Verses C, B in the bass over C, A minor, G, F major, E minor, D, G. And then second time C, B over C, A minor, G, F, G, and back to C. Alright, and then chorus A minor, G, F sharp in the bass over D major, F major, A minor, G, F sharp over D, and then ends with G, F, E minor, D. Yeah, ends on D there. Cool. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in. What a wonderful song. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.